So, according to a new information collected by Yonhap news agency in South Korea, Samsung is going to nail Apple in terms of pricing its products. This is not the first time when we are hearing the Galaxy F's pricing, but yeah, when the information comes from a reliable source, it becomes headlines. The Galaxy F, which would be the most attractive device in 2019, is going to cost as high as $1,770. And believe me, this is not shocking, as we have heard rumors in past claiming that it would cost as high as $2,000. Also, when a company is trying something more innovative, it's obvious to demand such a price tag. Although, Samsung hasn't settled on the final pricing yet, but it should be around these figures. The Galaxy F will make its debut on Mobile World Congress 2019, which is going to mark our calendars in March, and there are no plans for 5G compatibility on the Galaxy F. Additionally, DJ Ko, the chief of Samsung Mobile Department, shares the company's target to ship 1 million foldable devices in 2019. I must say that this is a huge number, but considering Samsung's market and reputation, it should be easy for them to achieve it. According to a very famous leakster Evan Blass, Samsung is going to admire punch-hole style selfie camera cutout on the Galaxy S10, which sounds like a lot more similar to the Infinity O display. I just want to know if the company is going to ditch the upper bezel completely or not, as this process will make S10 a true beauty. He further says that the device is gonna feature an in-display fingerprint scanner based on ultrasonic technology. There will be triple camera arrangement on the S10 with a standard wide and telephoto lens. This type of camera system has been showcased by Samsung, but it will be a pure view technology on the S10. Also, according to Ice Universe, Samsung finds it necessary to upgrade the camera performance on their smartphones, so we should see a camera beast next year. The rear camera modules will be arranged horizontally to provide more battery space. The S10 Plus will pack a 4000 mAh battery, but you should expect a 3700 mAh unit on the S10 and S10 Lite. Lastly, there will be One UI support over Android Pie on the S10 series, and if you believe all about Samsung, there should be a dual rear camera setup on the S10. This is obviously a cost-cutting step by Samsung. So yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.